Hello everybody, in this video I want to talk with you about what is AutoDS's Managed Orders system. So first of all, first introduction about what is this system and how we came to create this system. Our main goal in AutoDS is to automate your daily tasks, and as you know, sometimes ordering is a task that takes a lot of time. So in AutoDS we have two different systems to automate your orders. The regular one is the automated orders, where you add to AutoDS your ordering account, and then we use this account to process the orders for you using your accounts. The managed accounts system is another automated order system where we use our own accounts to process the orders for you from A to Z. What does it mean? Basically, it means that all what you need to do is to subscribe to this type of auto ordering in AutoDS, to the managed orders system, and then you need to load balance into AutoDS, and from there we will process all of your orders for you fully automatically. Let's see how it works. The first step will be to subscribe to the system. How to do that? Firstly, for some of you, you will already see that you subscribed automatically. It depends on many different factors if you already subscribed and if we subscribed you automatically or not, like how much time you are in AutoDS, your account size, and different other params. But if you have this load balance button here on the orders page, it means that you already subscribed. If you don't have it, all what you need to do is to go to the chat here, then choose here the managed order accounts, click done. Then what you need to choose here is to managed accounts opt in, click done, and then let me show you. And then we'll have this message which gives you a link to a form to subscribe to the managed accounts system. So basically you have here the managed accounts, you can write here that you want to subscribe, and that's all. And if you just want to subscribe, all what you need to do is basically to fill this form. Within 24 hours maximum you will see this button that appears for you. So in the ticket description just write, I want to subscribe to the managed accounts. That's all. So after you already subscribed, the support subscribed you, or you already subscribed automatically, it doesn't matter. The next step will be to load balance. Now, the managed account system will be supported for many different suppliers in the future. Right now, if you want to see for which suppliers it's already supported, what you need to do is to go to the monitors page, orders processor, and here in the bottom you will see the supported systems. The Amazon, for now it's Amazon and Home Depot. Maybe we'll see here that Home Depot will disappear, for example, and in this case it means that for now it's closed because too many users, or we just closed it. Just an example, because we always want to be in control and give you the best customer experience and support that possible, as we always used to do in AutoDS. So, how to load balance into the AutoDS Managed Accounts system. The first step will be to click the load balance button and add our account. So I click add account, and here I have two options. The first one is PayPal account, where I just put here the account name, for example your one, first name, last name, click add payment account, and then it will redirect you to PayPal. You click approve. Maybe you will see there that it will charge your credit card. It's not right, it will charge you only if you don't have balance on your PayPal account, so don't worry about it. And your account will appear after that here, like we have this account, for example. The status should be active to be able to use this account. Load the balance using your connected PayPal account. What you need to do is to verify that it's on active status. Choose the amount of balance that you would like to add, then choose the relevant PayPal account, click add balance, and the balance will be loaded immediately. Now, After you do the refresh, you will see here the balance and you will be able to process your orders. If anything failed because you didn't have balance, you can just click the red button and send it back to process. The second thing here is that if you want to load balance using Pioneer, 1 second before we explain this, you need to understand that the fees are different for PayPal or Pioneer. For PayPal, we take 4% for each balance loading, and you will see that here. Maybe it will be changed, so always check here what is the percent. For Pioneer, right now we don't charge any percent, but again, always check before you do the balance loading in case something changed after I recorded the video. So I click add pay account. Here, if I want to use Pioneer, I will just write here my Pioneer email. I will write the first name, last name, click add payment account, exactly the same as we did with PayPal, but here we will not need to approve anything on Pioneer's side. All what we need to do is from here just to go to Pioneer. After we added our account, we click add payment account and just go to Pioneer and send money directly from your Pioneer account to our Pioneer account, and that's all. Within up to 24 hours, the balance will be loaded automatically to the system. Now, if you want to know the exact Pioneer account that you need to send the money to, go to our help center or check below this video. I will write there also the link. Put here managed. You will have here the guide about how to load the balance, and just search here for Pioneer. You will see exactly to where you need to send money. Right now, for example, it's to lior@autods.com, but always verify here in number 5. So after you loaded balance and you see the balance in your account here, how the process works. We have 2 different types of auto ordering, even for managed. So let's see how it works. The first option is if I go to the monitors page, orders processor, as I said before, and I turn on the auto order. In this case, the orders will just go and start the automatic process immediately. If it's turned on, by the way, remember to check this. This is super important. Firstly, you need to check this, for example, if you want for Amazon, and then you need to decide if you want to check this one or not. If you check this one, what will happen is something very easy. The orders will go and start the orders processing immediately and automatically. If you don't process it, you will have a green button like this that when you click it, it will send the order to the automatic order. What is the process? The process is very easy. First, when the order arrives, if the auto ordering turned on, it will go to status in order process. If it's not turned on, so you will see this green button which will do the same action. Then it will go to ordered status, shipped, completed, and that's all. Our regular auto ordering process in AutoDS. Step by step it will change the statuses for you. What happens if you want to cancel the order? So if the order went to status ordered and the buyer contacted you on eBay and asked for cancellation, what will happen is that you will have here a button of cancel order. Just choose this and we will reply to you as soon as possible. We will try to cancel it on Amazon, and if we fail with the cancellation, you will get an email that the order couldn't be cancelled and that you need to reach your customer and explain him that he needs to return the product back after he received it. If you want to create a return, what is the return process? So for returns, the process is super easy. What you need to do? You need to change here to status return. You will see that if the order was processed by us automatically. And by the way, you will also see here a small icon of managed accounts of 2 people who handled something. So when you change to return, first, you will see a status of return pending. Second, after we process the return for you, you will have here a button to download the return label. Third, after we got the money back from Amazon because your buyer shipped using the return label, you will get the balance back to you and you will just get money back from us to your account directly for the successful return, and the status here will be moved to return completed. The last thing here, how do you follow up the balance? So if I go to load balance, I will have here the button of history, and here you can see all what happened in your account. For example, AutoDS Managed Account balance, so added balance. And then you will see the processed order. Then you will see refund, for example. And everything here you will see. If we charged you, or if we refunded you, and the remaining balance after each of the actions, everything will appear on this page. So this is the process basically for Amazon right now. The orders processing almost immediately. It's only a few minutes. For Home Depot it takes a little bit more time because people do that for you manually, but you have a free mind using this. It will save you tons of time, this service, and I'm sure that you will like it. It will save you a lot of time. No cancellation orders, because if the order will be cancelled on the supplier side, we will process the order for you again and again until it processes successfully. It shouldn't happen, but this is what happens in cases of any type of cancellation, you know, like credit card doesn't went or something like that. We will always handle it for you. So you really have a free mind, and you don't need to spend time on this type of tasks for your account. About the tracking numbers, also it will be updated automatically in AutoDS and in eBay. In case of non-API, you will just see the tracking number here and the carrier here, and you will be able to copy it to eBay manually or with any other tool if you want. I hope that you like this service and that you will use it, and it will save you time so you can really focus on growth of your eBay dropshipping business or Shopify dropshipping business if you're using our Shopify platform. See you in the next videos, and I wish you good luck. For any other questions, just reach us in the support. By the way, to get the support, choose here the managed support. Here, managed account support. Choose why you contact us, submit a ticket, and there our team will reply you within up to 24 hours, and usually it's much faster. Again, I hope that you like the system. See you in the next videos. I wish you good luck, and for any question, reach us in the support. Ask below this YouTube video about general questions and not technical questions, about any dropshipping questions, and we will respond you. Bye bye.